Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video will be very different to any other video I've done so far on my YouTube channel. So this is more like a freestyle, and here I show you my portfolio, how I could achieve like over 90% within. So let's see at this stock, for example. I've bought this stock on 24th April. Today we have like 29th July, so within 100 days. Same with here, the stock I've bought was 17th April. Yeah, 17th April. So also roughly more or less give and take 100 days. So as you can see here, it's only two stocks to be precise. No bonds, no ETFs, no options, just simple stocks, nothing else. And yes, just two, not a dozen, not 30 or 40. Warren Buffett's portfolio has like over 40 different stocks. In my opinion, that's too many, because you have to focus on a few stocks. It's always good to focus in general. So yeah, in my opinion, like 2, 3, 4, or 5, well, a few stocks is fine. No need to buy that many. And yeah, I mean, there's a strategy behind it to achieve this kind of return. As you can see here is like 95% within 100 days. So yeah, almost like 1% per day. As far as I know, it's even rivals to day trading. Yeah. Well, this what I'm doing is a it's investment, and it's majorly based also on value investing, but I do it my way. And as you can see here on my portfolio, it works pretty well. And yeah, I mean, it took me years of trial and error to achieve this kind of level of knowledge, to know what to do. So yeah, there's a strategy behind it, and I've outlined it on my online course, Investing for Beginners. To find out, just check it on my video description below. There's also a discount code for the first 100 buyers. So yeah, feel free to check it out. Oh yeah, I also would like to emphasize the importance of trainers, mentors, coaches, trainers, etc. because they've all gone through the process of learning. They're all done the things. That's why they know their craft, they know what they're doing. So it's always good to learn from people who know what they're doing. So yeah, I mean, I also worked as a math tutor before when I was a university student. And that student almost has to repeat the class if she had another bad grade. So yeah, she hired me, and I gave her 2 sessions of math tutoring, and then suddenly she had the best grade she ever had. So well, thanks to math tutoring, she didn't have to repeat the class again. So it was, for her, it was a win. It was just 2 sessions, not much. So like 4 hours of math tutoring. It was like roughly, at the time was in euros, so it was like 60 years as far I can remember. Yeah, roughly something like that, 60 years. Good investment. It paid off well for her. So yeah, if you want to know how to do it, just learn from people who done it and who successfully done it, so they can teach you what to do. I mean, I'm speaking for all, like coaches, trainers, mentors, etc. Not only for me. But yeah, that's important. I mean, not only coaches, but also buying online courses, because there people already gone through this whole process of learning, so they know what to do. And as you can see here, there's a good result, like 95% within 100 days. Super good. I mean, of course, there are also better people there are also other investors who are better than me, no doubt about that. But this is quite something. I mean, it's not like to brag. Well, also a little bit to brag and to show you guys that, yeah, so that you know that I know what I'm doing. So kind of authority. So yeah, feel free to check out the investing playlist for more personal finance videos. And yeah, check out the online course Investing for Beginners. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.